So as for the truck itself here, that door has to be primered. This right here has to be primered. Probably a little bit of body work yet there, not much. The back of the truck, as you can see, and then oh yeah, the inside of the passenger fender has to be done yet. The underside of the hood. Welcome back to another video, guys. So as you can see, we're back here doing some work on the Sonoma, and maybe this time we'll finally get the rest of the truck ready for paint. You see he's over there grinding some stuff out to get some body work done. What I'm going to do right now is cut a hole in the bed right here, just like the other one, for our system to go through. So just sit tight and let's get this process rolling. Yeah. Got that hole cut out. Alright guys, so at this point I'm just going to be going through block sanding all this Bondo down and sanding the rest of this white a little bit farther with some 180. We've already sanded it all with 80, but that's about it. Sprayed that blue on there, just kind of messing around, but let's sand all that back off. So that's pretty much going to be it as far as working on the bed for this video, because it's almost ready for primer. We'll go out here and show you guys what's up with the truck itself. So as for the truck itself here, that door has to be primered. This right here has to be primered. Probably a little bit of body work yet there, not much. The back of the truck, as you can see, and then oh yeah, the inside of the passenger fender has to be done yet. The underside of the hood. And then this side just has to have a coat of paint, except for the extended cab there needs to be primered. The body work on it is done, I believe. Not too much farther. Oh, and then I keep forgetting we got the tailgate here that has to be done too, but that probably won't be that bad. So that's probably going to wrap it up for this video, guys. As you can see, we do have a little ways to go yet, but not that bad. We're getting close. So if you guys like this video, smash that like button, leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and just like that, catch you guys in the next one.